Dream chasers, feeling tossed by life's storms, craving unshakable inner peace? Join Kenji, a samurai on a quest for ultimate chill. We're climbing Mount Fuji for 10 Buddhist principles that'll transform you from emotional roller coaster to master of serenity. Let's go! In the serene foothills of Mount Fuji lived a young samurai named Kenji. Unlike his fiery peers, Kenji craved peace, not war. He sought a way to be unshakable, a calm amidst the storm's fury. One crisp morning, he ventured deep into the mountain, drawn by whispers of a hermit renowned for his wisdom. After days of arduous travel, Kenji stumbled upon a small bamboo hut, nestled amidst a grove of cherry blossoms. An old man with eyes like polished obsidian sat meditating. This was Master Hero. Kenji bowed deeply. "Master," Kenji pleaded, "teach me to be impervious to life's blows. I yearn for a heart untouched by joy or sorrow." Master Hero chuckled, a sound like wind chimes in the breeze. "Come, young one," he said, leading Kenji inside. The tiny hut held only the essentials: a straw mat, a calligraphy set, and a single bowl. Master Hero spent the next 10 days not lecturing, but demonstrating the 10 guiding principles. The first principle: the present moment. Master Hero led Kenji to a rushing stream. "Observe the water," he said. "It flows ever onward, never clinging to the past or fearing the future. Be like the water, present in each moment." The second principle: impermanence. They climbed the mountain, watching cherry blossoms flutter down. "See how even fleeting beauty holds its own magic," Master Hero said. "Embrace change, for all things are transient." The third principle: letting go. Kenji witnessed Master Hero meticulously crafting a calligraphy scroll, then calmly letting the wind carry it away. "Detachment brings freedom," Master Hero explained. "Don't hold on too tightly." The fourth principle: right action. Master Hero tended his herb garden with mindful care. "Every action, big or small, has consequences," he said. "Choose your deeds wisely." The fifth principle: right speech. Master Hero listened patiently to a distraught bird. "Words have power," he said gently. "Speak with kindness and truth." The sixth principle: right livelihood. Master Hero traded his vegetables for simple necessities. "Live a life of purpose, not just for yourself," he advised. The seventh principle: right effort. Master Hero practiced his calligraphy with unwavering focus. "Cultivate discipline," he said. "Effort paves the way to inner peace." The eighth principle: right mindfulness. Master Hero sat beneath a Bodhi tree, eyes closed, completely present. "Train your mind to be aware, not reactive," he guided. The ninth principle: right concentration. Master Hero lit incense, its smoke rising in a steady stream. "Focus your mind," he said. "Inner peace lies in a clear, concentrated mind." The 10th principle: the noble eightfold path. Finally, Master Hero presented a stone path winding through the bamboo forest. "The path is yours to walk," he said. "These principles are the guideposts." After 10 days, Kenji emerged from the hut, not emotionless, but transformed. He understood that inner peace wasn't about being unaffected, but about responding wisely to life's ever-changing current. He bowed deeply. "Thank you, Master," he said, "for showing me the path to a heart unshakable." Kenji returned to the world, not as a warrior immune to emotions, but as a samurai of inner peace, ready to face any storm with grace and wisdom.